All right, Shaddy, you ready to go snowmobiling? Come on, buddy. Look at all that snow. Well, it's supposed to stop snowing early today, so I decided I'm going to go to the Ponderosa Lodge where I'm going to do snowmobiling or check out some snowmobiling today instead of tomorrow. Actually, I might go tomorrow too. Let's go. I don't know if I can make it, but we're gonna try. There's some windy roads we gotta go on, and this is the first time I've driven in this much snow. My truck is covered in snow. I think I'm gonna turn it on and get the heater running on it. If I could find
CLU Winery.
All right, let me put on some gloves. All right, I decided to wipe all the snow off without videoing it because there was a lot to do. It was a pain in the butt. My car is a little bit warmed up now. Got a lot of snow off of it. Let's see how this goes. So far so good. I got out of my driveway, put it in four-wheel drive. We're in four-wheel drive, off on an adventure. It is still snowing, but it's supposed to stop pretty soon here, so I figured there wouldn't be as much of a risk to come right now. And I talked to my friend over at the Ponderosa where I'm gonna try going snowmobiling. He said that it's best to snowmobile on fresh snow, so I thought it'd be a good idea to get out there right now. So I'm gonna get back with you guys in a minute. So far so good. This thing's driving like a champ. No sliding yet. Look at the conditions of this road. They plowed it a couple hours ago when I was taking video earlier, but it's already got more snow on it and nobody's driven on it. I think everybody's staying at home. They're probably afraid it's too dangerous, which maybe it is. Maybe it is. Hopefully it's not. I think I'll be able to get there, hopefully. I'm gonna try my best. So far I haven't slid at all, knock on wood. Look at all the snow on those trucks. This is just the first real snow of the year, so I can't wait to see what it's like after next week's 3-day snow. It's gonna be awesome. So far I haven't slipped much at all, a little bit here and there, but not too bad. Felt a little slip right there. One time in my mom's Suburban, we had a GMC Suburban. It was from the 90s, early 90s. Bought it brand new. We were driving up to my grandparents' house, which is in the northern Sierras, near Tahoe. We were almost to my grandparents' house, and the thing has 4-wheel drive as well. And we were in 4-wheel drive, driving on their little road that went to their house, and we ended up doing a 360, and it was at nighttime, and my grandpa was on the porch looking for us, and he said he saw some lights, and then he didn't see the lights, and then he saw them again. And he's like, maybe they spun around. Yeah, so we actually did spin around, and it was actually pretty exciting. It was scary until it was over, and then it was like pretty exciting. That was when I was like 14 or 15 years old. So I'm hoping we don't have any of those experiences today in this truck, which this truck is a little better suited for the snow than my mom's Suburban. My mom's Suburban didn't have all-terrain tires on them like this one does. So I'm hoping that helps. This is a cool old saloon. It used to be a saloon, now it's a private residence. So I have been doing a little bit of sliding, but only because I've been kind of pushing the limits a little bit just to see what it does, what it can do, what we can do here. But all within the safe limits, you know. Still being really safe with it. So I am worried a little bit about some icy road conditions on the way back. So I'm gonna ask my friends that are used to driving what they think about it, and if I have to, I will stay over there. If not, I will just go really slow and be really careful. Man, the conditions are just getting worse and worse out here. Although I do think it's stopped snowing, but now there's a fog. What happens is the snow starts to melt off the trees and it creates its own fog. So for today, the end of today, and tomorrow, maybe even the next day, it'll be a misty fog all over the place up here. But I'm hoping to still be able to get some good footage for y'all of some snowmobile in action and some lodge chilling next to the fire, drinking some sort of beverage. Jesus, you could barely even see. Truck's taking it like a champ though, I'll tell you that. never driven in this area with it so foggy. It's pretty awesome.
Supplies.
All right, we're almost here. There's a cool little meadow over there. Roads are nice and snowed over. I feel like I have better traction where they haven't plowed. This is awesome. Almost there. About 10 more minutes, maybe less. This thing is taking it like a champ, and I've been having a blast driving it. I just saw a sheriff actually pull past me, and he was having trouble driving. He hit the side of the road, the bankment where the plow puts all the snow on the side of the road. I don't know what he was doing. Maybe he got afraid because I was coming and he wanted to get over as far as he could, but it's kind of funny. Look at these beautiful trees with snow all over everything. Well, I feel a lot better about driving in the snow now. This went pretty well. I think we're here. No, Quaking Aspen, no, Quaking Meadows Camp. Not quite here yet. Almost here. I want to show you guys me pulling up to the lodge. It's an awesome lodge. It's made out of, I think, giant sequoia logs. It's really awesome. The logs are like really big. Oh, another thing I just noticed is that the fog isn't as bad over here. So that's cool. I should be able to get some clear shots. There we go. Ponderosa. Tiny little mountain community that is awesome. All right, I guess we made it. Some people snowmobiling already over here. That's my friend's truck over there. All right. Looks like people are already having a blast over here. So here's the lodge. Plenty of firewood. Can't go wrong with too much firewood around here. All right, everybody, I hope you liked that. Stay tuned for the next episode where we're going to go snowmobiling.